Apple's next big thing isn't a phone, it's a watch. The Apple Watch Ultra 4 leaks just changed everything. What if I told you your wrist could soon replace your iPhone? Yeah, this might be Apple's most insane upgrade ever. Let's dive in. So, the latest leaks from supply chain insiders and patent filings hint that the Apple Watch Ultra 4 could be the first smartwatch that's truly independent, no iPhone needed. It's rumored to feature full cellular connectivity, satellite texting, and an upgraded Siri powered by Apple Intelligence. That means AI-level smarts right on your wrist. But that's not even the craziest part. Multiple leaks suggest Apple is testing a new biometric system, Touch ID built into the digital crown. Imagine unlocking your watch or confirming payments with just your fingerprint. No Face ID, no passcode, just tap and go. That alone could make this the most secure wearable ever. Then there's the new sensor lineup: glucose monitoring, hydration tracking, and even blood pressure readings, all completely non-invasive. If that happens, the Ultra 4 might quietly become the most powerful health device in the world. For millions of people managing diabetes or fitness goals, this would be a game changer. Design-wise, Apple seems to be keeping the rugged titanium frame but refining it: thinner bezels, slightly lighter weight, and a brighter micro-LED display for insane outdoor visibility. The leaked renders look stunning, more premium and futuristic than any other smartwatch we've seen. The new action button might get customizable gestures, and rumors suggest a haptic wheel design, similar to the old iPod dial, for smoother control. Imagine scrolling through messages, maps, or playlists with perfect precision. That's next-level Apple polish. Now, here's where it gets wild. Apple is apparently experimenting with a micro camera integrated under the display. It could enable FaceTime calls directly from your wrist, using AI upscaling to enhance clarity. Combine that with the Ultra's improved battery efficiency, possibly 48 hours on a single charge, and you're suddenly holding a mini iPhone on your wrist. Some reports also say Apple is working on seamless handoff between the watch and other devices. Start a call on your wrist, continue on your Mac, then finish on your iPad, all without missing a second. That level of ecosystem integration is why Apple keeps dominating. If these leaks hold true, Apple isn't just making another smartwatch, they're redefining what personal tech means. The Ultra 4 could become your phone, your health tracker, your wallet, and your assistant, all in one. The expected release is around September 2025, alongside the iPhone 17 lineup, with a possible $899 starting price. That's steep, but knowing Apple fans, demand will explode instantly. So here's the real question: if the Apple Watch Ultra 4 can do everything your iPhone can, would you ditch your phone? Drop your thoughts below. I'm curious if people are ready for that next step. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the latest Apple leaks, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech updates, and don't forget to ring the bell. I've got more 2025 gadget news coming your way every week. This is Digital Dive, and I'll see you in the next one.